How are you all? Okay, today I'm going to review the series True Detective Season 1. I was just checking on this particular series having an IMDb rating of 9.2 and I thought this series has to be good. In fact, it is too good. Okay, why do you need to watch the series? One, for the brilliant and enterprising talent of this great actor Matthew McConaughey. Of course, I just saw him in Wolf of the Wall Street for around 30 seconds. Again, being the scene stealer over there. And this fellow, he carries this TV show on his shoulders. Again, ably supported by Woody Harrelson, who plays Martin Hart in this particular TV show. So, both of them are detectives in Louisiana State Police Department, trying to uncover a serial killing which happened from the year 1995 to 2012. What are the changes which they undergo in their life, and how this case affects their personal life, and the strong bond between both of them in the form of friendship, and all this comes into play in this particular series. Now, why do you need to watch this? Next point is gripping performance, wonderful dialogue delivery by both Matthew McConaughey and Woody Harrelson, and of course Michelle Monaghan. I can't even take her away from the TV show as well, because she also has a small but a very powerful performance over here as well. Please do watch True Detective Season 1, especially for the way the transition has happened from the 1995 from the year 1995, how the way they approach the case, to how they put in all the scientific advancement of the year 2012 to solve this case. Matthew McConaughey, again, I need to speak about him for at least 10 or 12 seconds. This guy is something else, man. I don't know. I saw him only in 2 or 3 films. He has a charismatic face and brilliant dialogue delivery and ability to play the role to a T. I like him a lot. Woody Harrelson is always known for his comic roles. Here he plays a very serious role, close, on your face type of detective, and he does it with a lot of emotions as well. Brilliant performance by the lead cast, excellent dialogue delivery, and wonderful directing. This makes True Detective Season 1 a must watch. Okay guys, please stay home, stay safe, and watch True Detective Season 1. You like it, my video, please subscribe, share, and do comment as well so I could improve myself. Thank you so much guys. Have a great day. Bye.